as I make some kind of regulation, some kind of regulation now that it will be aturan apa selain regulation?
Rule,
Educate.
Aturan
polisi, kebijakan,
Kebijakan.
rule oh ya.
rule,
Undang-undang atau
I think
By
we'll make
law.
rule for them.
rules ya.
And
By
I
rule.
think this rule will protect, will make some space between what is benefits and what is dangerous. Okay? We have to put this side of negative side is to put away. Have to put away this from our family and bring the benefits of this situation to our family.
Very good.
alright, very awesome, thank you.